Now students, after the topic of introduction of chemistry and scope of chemistry, now we go through the types of the matter, classification. The whole universe is classified into matter. Matter is further classified into solid, liquid, gas, Bose-Einstein condensate, and plasma. And it is plasma. And all matter is made up of elements. Elements are further consist of, there are 118 elements in the periodic table. So this is all you have studied in the previous lecture. Now, then the next topic is the temperature conversions. Temperature conversion is we have the SI unit of temperature is the Kelvin. So sometimes the general terms which we used in the temperature is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. So generally used हम जो local use करते हैं it is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. But the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. System international unit जो कि international valid है, that is Kelvin. So dear students, now we are going to convert degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and degree Celsius to Kelvin. So these are the temperature conversions. Now for the first conversion, that is conversion of degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So say for this we have the conversion formula, that is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 degree Celsius plus 32 degree Fahrenheit. Again I repeat, the Fahrenheit scale starts from 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why 32 is added. Someone asked me question that why 32 is added. The reason for adding the 32 is that the Fahrenheit scale starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit, whereas Celsius scale has the lowest reading 0 degree Celsius. तब हम इसमें 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास कन्वर्शन फैक्टर आता है डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट इज इक्वल टू 9 upon 5 degree Celsius plus 32 degree F. Say the normal human body temperature is, सबको पता है, there is 37 degree Celsius. Now we are going to convert this 37 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit by using this formula. We put degree F is equal to 9 upon 5 into 37 degree Celsius plus 32. Now you have to solve this. After solving all this, it is found that it came out to be 98.6 Fahrenheit. Now similarly, अगर आप Fahrenheit से डिग्री सेल्सियस को चेंज करना चाहते हो, then revert this formula. डिग्री F आपके पास क्या हो जाएगा? आपके पास पूरा फॉर्मूला जो रिवर्ट हो जाएगा 5/9 into degree F which is given to you minus 32 degree. ठीक है, तो उसमें से 32 डिग्री आप माइनस कर दोगे. इस तरह से आप टेम्परेचर जो है डिग्री सेल्सियस से डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट और डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट से डिग्री सेल्सियस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. नाउ वी हैव द थर्ड कन्वर्शन, दैट इज द केल्विन कन्वर्शन. नाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द डिग्री सेल्सियस इनटू द केल्विन स्केल. तो केल्विन स्केल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 273.15 केल्विन. द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू जिस तरह से आपका सेल्सियस स्केल 0 से उसकी लोएस्ट रीडिंग है, मिनिमम रीडिंग है, और फ़ारेनहाइट की आपकी 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट है, उसी तरह से केल्विन की है आपकी 273.15 केल्विन. So now, human body has temperature 37 degree Celsius. So Kelvin is equal to, you have to put the value of Celsius here. 37 degree Celsius human body का normal temperature है, उसमें आपने 273.15 Kelvin ऐड किया, तो आपके पास वैल्यू आई Kelvin is equal to 310.15 Kelvin. तो dear students, अगर बात की जाए तो ह्यूमन बॉडी का टेम्परेचर देखिए आप कितने टर्म्स में हम लोग से बता सकते हैं. 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस इन केस ऑफ, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 37 degree Celsius in case of Celsius scale, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit in case of Fahrenheit scale, and 310.15 Kelvin on the Kelvin scale. So these are the various scales which are used for the recording of temperature, and these are the various conversions. On the basis of these conversions, in your fair notebook, you have to do the following assignment. First, 50 degrees Celsius to be converted into Fahrenheit, 40.5 degrees Celsius is converted into Fahrenheit, 25 degree Fahrenheit should be converted to degree Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius to be converted into Kelvin, and 72 degree Fahrenheit to be converted into Kelvin. So this is you have to this all in your fair notebook and complete the assignment as soon as possible.